If you want a message or specific announcement to reach everyone in a WhatsApp group, you can easily do this by using the @ symbol in the group. Now, you can do this on your Android, iOS, web, or even on your PC. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this efficiently to make sure that your messages reach the right audience. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So let's put the theory into practice. First, you want to open your WhatsApp just as so and go to the group that you want to make a general announcement. Now you enter into the message field and then you send the announcement that you want to send, or you type in the announcement you want to send. Let me just say hello everyone, just as so. And then to tag everyone in this group, or to make sure that everyone here sees this message, even those that have muted the group, you just give a space, you type the all tag just as so, and then you make sure you click on it to make this functional. Now you just have to send it. So let's check whether the other WhatsApp members have received this message. I have added my other WhatsApp account to this group just so we can test and make sure that this works well. So let's switch to that other WhatsApp. Here we are in my other WhatsApp account, and you can see that I have been mentioned in this group. So if you take a closer look to it, you will see that I already muted the group, but still I got mentioned. So let's just enter and see how this worked. You can see hello everyone and then the all tag. That's how you get to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Now it's important to know that this step works for all platforms, okay? Whether you're on Android, iOS, PC, or even on the web, it's just going to work just well. The steps are typically the same. Alright, now how do you escape from this by yourself? Yeah, I know that if you've muted a WhatsApp group, it can be annoying to get messages from this WhatsApp group after all. So to make sure that you don't get mentioned from a muted WhatsApp group, even if the admin has tagged anyone or anyone has tagged everyone, you just want to click on this all here, and then you go to notification settings. Yeah, you can mute all mentions just as so. Just toggle this on and off to your liking, and then you won't be tagged anymore in a WhatsApp group, even if they use the all tag. So that's how you tag everyone in the WhatsApp group to make sure that they see your messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next one.